How to understand credit factors on Credit Karma. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, look for your credit score. You will usually see your TransUnion and Equifax scores displayed side by side. Now click on either of the scores. This will open up a detailed breakdown of your credit profile. Here, scroll down until you find a section labeled Credit Factors. This section shows several categories that influence your score, such as payment history, credit card usage, derogatory marks, age of credit history, total accounts, and hard inquiries. Each factor will be labeled as excellent, good, fair, or needs work, helping you understand where you stand. Click on each factor to get more details. For example, under credit card usage, you will see the percentage of your available credit you are currently using. Lower usage is generally better for your score. If you have any flags under derogatory marks or hard inquiries, Credit Karma will show what's causing the issue and offer tips on how to improve it over time. By reviewing each factor, you will get a better idea of what you are doing right and what you need to work on to improve your credit health. Now you know how to understand credit factors on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.